Remove this board. After dismantling, dismantle this. After this is dismantled, the mold can be taken out. Now it's time to remove the lid. After this is removed, and this. Then put the molds to be changed back in sequence. Put the replaced mold back on. Then you can change this guide cover. Loosen this screw. Then take this out like this. There's another one in front. This pushes it in. It's coming out here. This is 12.7. Then put the we need to change. Give it to 9.52. Just put it in. Then we will next replace this belt. This is 12.7. To change it to 9.52 now, loosen the two nuts at the back first. Let it go first. After loosening it, loosen this nut. You see, as soon as you loosen it, the belt rises. If this comes loose, he runs this way, then this belt comes loose. You can take it off when it's loose. Same down here, take it off. When installing, when dismantling, dismantle the top first. Remove the bottom one. When installing now, install the bottom first and then the top. Put the bottom on first, then put it on top. These two belts. After this belt is finished, remember to tighten this first, including this, also tighten first. After tightening, remember to tighten the back one. It just opened here. This screw needs to be tightened first. And then the wheel. Remove this wheel and replace it all. Have to dismantle.